Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in this video today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make strawberry buttercream. Have you ever had strawberry buttercream? Today, yes, I'm going to be showing you how to make strawberry buttercream. It is easy, it is delicious, and it is fast. So we're going to be using a base of vanilla buttercream first, and I'm going to be showing you how to make that first. So that way today in this video we're going to be making 2 kinds of buttercream, vanilla and then strawberry buttercream from the vanilla. Okay, so first of all, you're going to be needing 500 grams of butter, and then you want to break it apart a little bit and then pop it in the microwave. The reason is because it softens up a lot faster and a lot easier, and it doesn't become soupy if you break it up a little bit first before popping it in the microwave. Okay, so once it's a little bit softer after popping it in the microwave for a few seconds, then we are going to whip. And this part you want to whip it for as long as between 5 minutes to 10 minutes, depending on what kind of mixer you're using. If you're using a stand mixer, maybe around 5-6 minutes. But if you're using a hand mixer like I'm using in this video, then you're going to be needing to whip it up for at least 10 minutes so it can be really white and fluffy and light. That's what we're looking for. So the base of this buttercream today is condensed milk. And we're going to be adding a lot of condensed milk to this. Normally you think adding condensed milk to already soupy butter is going to make it more watery. It's going to make it a lot soupier. It is a word like soupier, but no, it's going to make it very thick and sturdy and delicious. And this buttercream pipes just like Swiss marine buttercream and tastes almost like that, except with a hint of ice cream taste because of the condensed milk. Okay, so to 500 grams of butter, we're going to be adding a pinch of salt, and then to that we're going to be adding 1,000 grams of condensed milk. If you think about that logically, it sounds like maybe the condensed milk will make it soupy, but it won't, so don't be afraid. And normally when I'm doing this, I like to add it in 2 batches. Like I'm going to add 500 grams first and then 500 grams later, and it was really delicious. Okay, so you're going to add the first half and then whip. You're going to whip it really well until it is well incorporated. And I want you to notice that the more you whip, the thicker it gets. That's how it's gonna be. So you want to make sure you don't go beyond the measurement and you measure properly so it doesn't turn out to be something else. Okay, so we are going to whip and see the consistency we have, and it is amazing. So you're going to be adding the remaining part of your condensed milk, which is the remaining 500 grams, and then you're going to whip again, and then you are done. This buttercream is amazing and it is delicious, and it gets thicker. The more whipped cream the more condensed milk you add, the thicker and fluffier it gets. Okay, so now that we are done, we are going to scrape the sides of the bowl, and our buttercream is ready. It is very simple, just 3 ingredients, and it is delicious. Okay, so now we are going to be adding some vanilla flavoring to that, and then we are going to stir. And now we have our vanilla base, our vanilla buttercream base for our strawberry buttercream. So to this we're going to be separating a bowl of about 200 grams of buttercream. 200 grams of our vanilla buttercream, and then we're going to be adding 2 tablespoonfuls of strawberry jam. So if you notice, you can also use any kind of jam. You can use an orange jam, you can use a ginger jam, you can use any kind of jam, any fruit jam you like, and that way you can get a different flavor for your buttercream. So it gives us this really pale, pretty pink, but usually when I make this, I like to add a little bit of pink color or a tiny bit of red to it, so the color can be a little bit more pronounced and really attractive. So now I'm going to add a little bit of red to it, and it's going to turn out really great. You want just little, you don't want too much, just a little bit. It doesn't have to be up to a drop, just to make the color pop a little. That's what we're looking for. And then you are done. This buttercream is delicious and it is awesome, and usually I use it to fill my cakes, like my fondant cakes. When I'm filling in the middle, I use it to fill my cakes, and I like to pair it with the strawberry jam. Like I pair Swiss marine, the strawberry buttercream with strawberry jam in between my cakes as cake fillings, and it is delicious, and it is amazing how well it pipes. It pipes like a dream. So I'm going to show you guys right now how well it pipes. So I'm going to put it in my piping bag, and I'm going to be using the number 2D piping tip. Yeah, and see how perfectly piped, and it is sturdy and really nice. It is not watery or soupy or anything. It is the perfect consistency for to work with. So thank you guys for always watching my videos, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Thank you, and I will see you in my future tutorials. Bye.